This is the ultimate mobile welding and fixturing station. Perfect for fabricators who need everything square and everything accessible, this system has the capability of replacing a welding table and a toolbox. The 12mm tabletop is precision machined to a high tolerance and finished with a nitride coating to help resist against rust, spatter and wear. The kit also comes with a sliding tray, so if you drop anything through the table holes, you can easily slide out the tray and collect it. However, the best part is the 3D tabletop design. By including holes here, here and here, fixturing options are almost endless, just like our Pro Series welding tables. You can clamp just about anything, anywhere. The 16mm holes are spaced into 50mm grid pattern. This ensures repeatability in your fabrication. Now, what really elevates this mobile welding station above its competitors is the storage. 10 drawers, adjustable shelving, small pegboard with hooks, and heavy-duty caster wheels so you can push this setup anywhere. Think about it. If the job can't come to you, you can now go to the job. And when you get there, everything is right where you need it. And when you're not using it, you can store it away and it still functions as a toolbox and a working surface. The tabletop can either be bought by itself to mount onto a mobile workstation if you already have one, or you can purchase the entire welding station, which includes this 69-piece fixturing kit. So you're ready to weld straight out of the box. This welding station is great for a workshop where you need to be portable, or a home hobbyist who hasn't got room for a welding table and a roll cabin toolbox. For more information on this product, give your local Tools for Industry rep a call, or go to t4i.com.au.